What's up, everyone? It's Arkham here. You think you're too old to be on YouTube? Think again. Today we're talking about 9 awesome YouTube channel ideas that are perfect for anyone over 40. Whether you're retired, starting a new career, or just looking for a creative outlet, YouTube is the place to be. We're going to dive into some unique niches where you can share your experience, knowledge, and passions with the world. So buckle up, grab some snacks, and let's get this show on the road. All right, first up is health and wellness. Look, we all know staying healthy gets more important as we age, right? You've spent years figuring out what works best for your body, so why not share that knowledge? Think fitness routines modified for different ages, healthy eating tips, or even tackling age-related health concerns. You can be the go-to resource for people your age looking to level up their health game. Ever notice how most travel vloggers are in their 20s? That's your advantage. People would love to see travel from a mature perspective, share tips on traveling comfortably, finding hidden gems, or even authentic cultural experiences that younger travelers might miss. Plus, think of all the amazing stories you've accumulated over the years. Those are vlog gold. I bet you've got some killer recipes passed down in your family, right? Or maybe you've perfected your own signature dishes over the years. Cooking channels are huge on YouTube, and people love that home-cooked, authentic feel. Share those secret family recipes. Give tips for adapting recipes for dietary needs, or even just film yourself cooking up a storm in the kitchen. Over the years, you've probably tackled a ton of home projects. People are dying for trustworthy advice in this niche. Walk people through step-by-step renovations, share clever home hacks you've learned, or even just teach basic home maintenance skills. You'll be surprised how many views a good caulking tutorial can get. Okay, let's be real. You've got decades of financial experience under your belt. Share that wisdom. Help people navigate investing, saving for retirement, or even just managing their money responsibly. There's a huge demand for this kind of advice, especially from someone who's been there, done that. Gardening is like therapy, and I bet you've got some serious green thumb skills. Whether it's growing your own food, creating stunning flower arrangements, or even just sharing tips on keeping plants alive, we've all been there. This is a niche that's always in bloom on YouTube. Chapter 7. Book reviews spark a love for reading. Nothing beats curling up with a good book, am I right? Share your love of reading by reviewing books on YouTube, talk about what you loved, what you didn't, and who you'd recommend the book to. You can focus on a specific genre, or mix it up and keep things interesting. Chapter 8. Tech reviews. Tech for grown-ups. Let's be honest, most tech reviewers are targeting teenagers. That's where you come in. People your age want to know how to use technology too, but they want someone who speaks their language. Review smartphones, tablets, apps, or any gadgets that make life easier. You'll be surprised how many people are looking for tech advice from someone who understands their needs. Chapter 9. Life coaching. Wisdom and guidance for life's journey. You've lived a full life, and with that comes wisdom that others crave. Share your life lessons, offer advice on overcoming challenges, or even just provide motivational content to inspire others. Life coaching is all about helping people become the best versions of themselves. And who better to guide them than someone who's already walked the path? So there you have it, 9 YouTube channel ideas for 2025 that are perfect for anyone over 40. Don't wait, start your channel today and share your unique perspective with the world. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself, have fun, and engage with your audience. You never know, you might just inspire the next generation of YouTubers. And hey, if you do start a channel, drop a link in the comments below. I'd love to check it out. Until next time, stay awesome.